2019 Audi SQ5. This is what it sounds like before, guys. Go ahead. Very quiet. Your sound decibels. Again. Right at 85. Okay. We'll let you guys hear it. All right, guys, we got a 2019 SQ5 Audi. Look at that. There's that badge. It's a sexy, sexy car. I think it pushes like 500 horsepower. Anyway, it's only got 30,000 miles on it. Beautiful blue color. Beautiful car. He's a soldier. We appreciate his service. We hooked him up as much as we could. Got factory converters up there somewhere right beside the motor. Then it comes with two resonators there. We cut them off there and there. We left the middle resonator because he's got a young daughter. He doesn't want it to drone too much. So we left the middle resonator for him. And then deleted the rear mufflers there and there. It comes a single muffler. I'll show it to you guys in a second. And then also on this side comes a valve. We cut it off and zip tied it away right there, as you guys can see, so it acts like it's still working, but it doesn't do anything anymore. Because usually like they put a valve there, so at higher RPM it opens up and it becomes dual. So now it's straight pipe dual out the back with turn downs, as you guys can see. There and there. There's the middle resonator, we left it on there, and we deleted the front resonator. There's the two resonators. They look like cats, but they're not. They are resonators. As you guys can see, they're straight through. Weird design. So it's two of those, and there's the muffler. And that's where the valve was that we unbolted and zip tied away. So, like, it only breathes. He says in the morning, all he sees is smoke out of one side. He was wondering why. Now he knows why, because of that valve. And it comes dual in, as you guys can see there. All right, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And again, man, we appreciate your service, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for everything you guys do for us. Go ahead. You can actually hear the turbo down. Your sound decibels? Wow, it's still quiet. You want louder? Take it down the road real quick. See how you like it. And go from there. What a genius thing. It's not loud enough though. Yeah, take it, see how it drones inside, you know? It is quiet. I'm surprised how quiet it is. It's definitely deep. It's a sexy sound, but I want it louder. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Audi SQ5, around 360 horse. There's the muffler and resonators we cut off, so it's only got the middle resonator on it. You take it down the road, maybe he'll come back and we'll take the middle resonator too. We'll see. Oh, it sounds so good. I like it.